Hello everyone, welcome back to again in my channel. Today I'm going to discussing about AI will be replaced to the programmer, coder or software engineering in 2025. Okay, let's get started. Let's get to discuss to clear about the it. Let's go on the screen. Okay, my friend, at the first, the repetitive one, the role of the AI into programming. Let's go. Okay, my friend, at first, the AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Understands what you say, recognize the pictures like the face recognition on the phones, make the discussions. Okay, my friend, according to the data tracking the website, the people's to 165 lakh people's to into 2022 and 2 lakh 65,000 in 2023. Okay, 2023 this more people's and so employees to employee job replaced by the AI. According to this data, according to this data, 132 900 people as a employee in 2024 so far till now. Okay, to replace the employee job by AI. According to this data, according to the data analyst from this website. Okay, the positive angles is human machines to corporations. The AI will help to people to improve the work experienced by the automations note and repetitive tasks. The technology will maximize the goods of work while to minimize the bads. Okay, this way contribute to the humans being in AI jobs. Okay, and AI job is more increasable in this year and the situations at right now. Okay, so this AI in skills is more demanded. AI skills is more increasing day by day, but can all be this AI to replace as a software engineering engineer or as a programmer and computer programmer and so website developers can replaced by this AI? This answers to, I think, to my point of view, the AI just used to assign your tasks. Okay, assign your tasks. It's just to assign to you, not to replace. Maybe. Okay, it's not to perform the white AI like a very complex coding and so creative thinking, creative solutions, not to solved by AI. So my point of view, AI not to replace the humans, the programmers and the engineer. My answer is no and never. Because AI not to replace the programmer or coder but just assist to our tasks for making the simpler. Okay, so AI not to replace the human coder or programmer and software engineer, like the complex coding problems, system design, and creative solutions, etc., are not solved by using the AI. Okay, so it's not replace the human programmers. Okay, it helps to developer or software engineer. Just help to access to it helps to access the any code and to make the easy to understand the any code and the make the like okay it's just used to AI just to do basic tasks. Then the human programmer, creative thinking project have needed human programmers, not replaced AI. Okay, okay, my friends. And so, but I think that if you I used AI in my VS Code to assist my coding and to make easier to my coding, to make to do fast code and fast to make my project. So I just used AI tools in my VS Code like the Codium as to install as extension Codium and extensions to install in my VS Code. You can see it's to give it's to more efficient as a AI tools. Okay, it helps to make out the mistakes and to find out the errors and automatically. Okay, for example, I have one project of the Python programming language to create any functions there have to needed to repeatedly manually to type the boilerplate of that functions. We just use the AI tools. I just use the AI like the Codium to on my VS Code. It helps to create any functions. Okay, it helps to highlight on the wrong code. Okay, highlight the wrong code. So AI tool is the best for the saving the time of during the making the project on the coding and help to gain also productive to project and program at first at right now and till now. Okay, but if you are guys beginners, not to use the AI, focused on to learn code from the basic levels to needed find the errors and execute that. Okay, my friend, just come on to intermediate levels and then you can start to use the AI tool for the making the effectively perform to your project. Okay, if you are so you are so you are my friends also beginners not to going on to AI, not to use the AI and directly. If you understand the basic to advanced, you need to know, you need to learn about the coding to basic from the basic levels. So not to directly to use this AI. So need to from the basic to advanced. If you comes to on intermediate levels to your codings, you can use the AI. Okay, my friends. I think you guys clear about this all the AI illusions. Thanks for watching. I think I have cleared about the AI will replace the human coder and software engineer and computer programmer and the website developers. I think at the end it's not true. It's not replaced by AI. Keep going.